So how did you go from having £10 to getting a deal? Like, what was the deal? What were the figures? How did that happen? That's great. And I know since then you've gone on to get a lot more deals. But how did you get that first deal? What happened?
So yes, first deal. I watched few of your Rent to HMO videos as well, and Winners on Wednesday, the guys who did HMO.
Yeah.
And I watched that video again and again to find out what exactly how I can get my first property. And then I kept on viewing, and when I started using the script, I get no from most of the agents, no. Then I found I think I'm doing some kind of mistake over here. Then I watched the video again, and I found the script that you are using. And I used that script and I got my property, but I had no money to put the rent, first month rent and deposit. So I applied for the loan. Then I took the loan money and I put it in my first property.
How much was the loan?
So the loan was £9,000.
Okay, big risk, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Massive, and some people would say, don't do it. You know, you've got no money. You've just got back from Afghanistan from the army. You know, you've been watching Samuel's videos, you've been to some of his courses. Don't go and get a loan. That's risky. And they tell you not to do it.
Exactly.
Did anyone say that to you? What were your friends and your family and your associates and what were they all saying when you were doing this? Did they think it was great or were they concerned?
Oh, definitely not. No. So, like, they used to tell me, no, don't do it. It's a risky. You might lose your money. How are you going to pay the loan back? Don't step in. Just do whatever you are doing. It's fine. We like the way you are. So this kind of stuff, yeah.
Yeah. Try and protect you,
yeah,
right?
trying to protect me, yeah.
That's always what happens.
Yeah, exactly, yeah.
Yeah.
So, but anyway, so from my inside, I really wanted to do this property journey. I really wanted to start this. But yes, and I took my step and I took the loan, then I started my journey in property.
How are you juggling your time in all of this? Because you live in Wales.
Yeah.
The properties are in London. You've got 4. You're going for a 5th. You told me you want 10 by March next year.
Yes, that's correct.
How are you managing your time? How is this happening?
So yeah, that's a good question. So yeah, every weekend, me and my wife, we used to drive from Wales to London for the property. And after that, I hired one manager. And after that, another guy came in. So right now, I have my team, including me. We are 3 people. One guy is doing maintenance and viewings. Other guy is checking the documents, referencing tenants. And I'm the one looking for new deals at the moment.
Okay. And are they... Sorry. You've got 3 people now in your team. You've employed 2 people.
Yeah.
And you're paying them out of the profits.
At the moment, so it's been only a month. So they said they don't want income.
They want what?
They are looking for the outcome. They want to learn about the property. So they are not after the...
You're a smart guy, Nick.
Thank you very much.
So you've basically put them on work experience.
So actually they were my tenants.
What?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay.
And they said they want to work with me.
Yeah.
And I asked them why you want to work with me, because they said I'm looking to learn from learn about the properties from you. And I said, okay, I'm happy to have you in my team, but you need to have the same working spirit that I have. And we had few interviews as well.
Yeah.
And these guys, they were incredible. So they just instantly wanted to join my team. So,
And they're working hard?
So yeah, they're working hard. So one guy is busy doing viewings, other guy is looking after new qualifying the property in the market, and I'm the one doing viewings and dealing with agents.
Wow. I mean, geez, I've got to say, I'm incredibly impressed.
Thank you very much, Samuel.
You've done ridiculously well. How did you do all this? Give me the secrets.